All right, we got more on the Puff case. So it looks like the judge has denied bail. All right. Judge says, I've read the party submissions and others. The jury convicted the defendant of counts 3 and 5. For the following reasons, bail is denied, okay? And as you can see by the sketch, obviously Puff didn't think it was gonna go that way, okay? Obviously he expected things to go his way, like it's been going his entire fucking career. So, on one hand, it can be seen as theatrics to garner him more sympathy, but this kind of looked like he thought it was gonna go another way. That sucks. Family reaction. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, the artist did his family crazy. I mean, his son looked nuts. All right, so this was the sentiment at the verdict. As you can see, the lawyers are standing around like, I mean, shit, you know, hey, what you expect, nigga? And they got Puff here looking like he aged in a year a month in that motherfucker. Previous sketches from earlier today. He's like, yeah, bad boy. Diddy will remain in jail until sentencing after being denied bail in his federal trial. A letter from Cassie's lawyer sent from Judge Aaron Supermanian asking him to deny the defense's request that Sean Diddy Combs be released from custody today may have had an impact on the judge's decision to keep Combs in custody, according to criminal defense trial attorney Stacey Schneider. The letter stated that Ventura believed that Mr. Combs is likely to pose a danger to the victims who testify in this case, including herself. I think Cassie Ventura's letter might have had an effect on the judge, Snyder told CNN, adding that the judge may feel that he needs to protect the community from Sean Combs. Snyder added that she thinks the judge can't unhear the testimony that he heard in the trial. The judge pointed out that defense attorneys during the trial admitted that their client was violent and had issues and problems and flaws, and that these were terrible situations. But again, the defense was saying it was domestic violence, Schneider said. Combs was found guilty of 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution and acquitted on the sex trafficking and racketeering conspiracy charges. Prosecutor says Combs is an extremely violent man with an extraordinarily dangerous temper. Prosecutor Maureen Comey says the judge is correct in his decision to keep Sean Diddy Combs in detention, calling him an extremely violent man with a dangerous temper. What's exceptional about Combs, Comey said, is his wealth, his violence, and his brazenness. He's an extremely violent man with an extraordinarily dangerous temper who has shown no remorse and no regret for his multiple victims, Comey said. Defense attorney Mark Agnifilo appealed to the judge one more time, saying in part, listening to Ms. Comey makes me appreciate that we have juries. So now we know for sure that Puff's not getting out today. He's not getting bail and he's not being sentenced until October 3rd. What do you think? Does that change anything for you? Or will he Diddy bop away with a slap on the wrist? Let me know in the comments.